Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director here at Sallie Tomato. On the 12th day of the Hearth and Handcrafted box, we're sharing some fun, functional, and colorful hardware for your sewing projects. Day 12. You'll have fun creating with this holiday bundle of cheer. It's a must-have for any bag maker to have at the ready. Today's gift includes 3 packs of zipper pulls and 1 yard each of fern, banana cream, and ruby zipper tape. The pulls match the zipper coils and come in assorted shapes like keys, hearts, and snowflakes. These pulls are perfect for adding unique flair and personalization to bags, pouches, and other zipper projects. They're easy to install, add a professional finish touch, and also they coordinate with the fireside plaid cork received earlier in the Advent box. Don't forget about our great zipper pull tutorial that we referenced on day 3, as well as our How to Sew with Zippers by the Yard free download that is linked below. We hope this sparks your creativity and inspires you to accessorize your projects beautifully. We love our zippers so much, and we can't wait to see what you do with this fun assortment. You can still purchase this year's Advent box if there are any left in stock on our website. If we are sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group, so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent box releases. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy holiday.